Hey guys, welcome to a new part of Keeping Up with Coins. So in today's part we will be exploring this 1 cent coin of Barbados. Barbados is a country in East Caribbean part of the world. So this country was actually an English colony from 1627 to 1966. So in 1966, after they getting the independence, they started issuing their currency from 1972. The currency of Barbados is known as Barbadian dollar or simply dollar. So this particular coin of Barbadian dollar was issued from minted from 2007 to 2012, even though it is still used in Barbados. So let's look into the physical features of this particular coins first. As I said, this is the 1 cent coin of Barbados. You can see it is written 1 cent coin. So this is a standard circulation of Barbados coins, standard circulation coin of Barbados. Barbadian dollar is the currency of the Barbados, and it is divided into 100 parts, and this is 1/100 part of the Barbadian dollar. So this particular coin is made of copper plated steel. The weight of this coin is 2.78 grams. The diameter of this coin is 18.86 millimeters, and the thickness of this particular coin, you can see the thickness of this coin. So the thickness of this coin is 1.55 millimeters. As you can see, this coin is again in the round shape, and this coin, let's see the alignment of this coin. You can see this coin is in the medal alignment. So now let's explore the meaning of the images which is given on the 1 cent coin of Barbados. So this images is having a lot of meaning actually. So if you're looking very closely into the coin, you can see the coat of arms of Barbados in the over side. So the coat of arms, as you can see here, is consisting actually of a shield in the middle, and there is it's a tree of fig. So the fig tree is given in the center, and on the top of that there are two flowers given, which is actually known of the pride of Barbados. And you can see a hand going on the top, and there is actually sugarcane sticks they are holding. So in the one side you can see an fish like image, which is actually an image of a dolphin in a very stylized manner, and the other side there is an image of the pelican. So that's the coat of arms of Barbados, and below that you will be seeing a particular ribbon going. So inside the ribbon it is written pride and industry, which is like the kind of motto of Barbados. And like you can see the year of minting written in like half, like one portion of the year is written in one side and the other portion is written in the other side. So below that there is a trident given, like in India we call them Trishul. So the trident is given there, and below that it is written Barbados, the country. Around that a dotted pattern of circle is given. So that's in the over side of the Barbados 1 cent coin. In the reverse side of the Barbadian coin, it is written 1 cent here in the bottom side, and the trident is also here. So why trident is used in the Barbados dollar, Barbados coin, and even in the flag of Barbados the trident is given. So actually the trident was used in the colonial badge of Barbados, but you can see this is only half trident. So it is known as the broken trident symbol of Barbados, because they consider that they broke the that colonialism from the British, and that they are showing this broken trident as their independence from British. So the 3 points in the trident, according to them, is representing the 3 principles of a democratic government, that is the for the government, by the government, of the government, the 3 principles of it. So that is one interesting fact that can be like known by us in relation to the Barbadian trident. As you can see, there is a particular kind of dotted pattern here also, like the other side, in the over side also you can see the dotted pattern. So this is an interesting coin of Barbados. Now this particular coin is actually engraved by a person known as Philip Nathan. Philip Nathan is the person who engraved this coin. So I hope you like the information related to this particular coin. If you find today's video interesting, do support the channel by your likes and comment, and share it with your friends and family so that they will also get to know about these interesting facts related to coins around the world. Also, for getting information and new videos related to coins and currencies around the world, do subscribe to my YouTube channel and press the bell icon for the daily notification. So till meeting up with a different coin on a different day, ta-ta.